Hi guys, so today we're working on map testing. If you've already finished your map test, then you're working on these two worksheets, and once you're finished, you are done. This is all about makeup work and really understanding percentages. So I want to go over percentages just a little bit for you, maybe doing the first problem, modeling the first problem, and you're going to complete the rest to kind of understand it better. If you're still having problems, you can always go to YouTube or BrainPop and look up videos to help you understand more about what we're talking about, okay? So in this situation, if you look right here, the whole amount of a percent is always 100%, right? That's always the whole amount. The percentage is 100. If we were to count all of these blocks, every single one, we would get 100. So we're talking about a percent out of 100. Whenever you come and count the shaded blocks, that is your percentage. That's the percentage that we are going to talk about out of 100%. So imagine that all of this was $100. Let's go and calculate how much money out of 100 we're talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So if we're talking about 25 out of 100, that is 25%. So I'm going to write that right here with a percent sign, 25%. That is my answer. It's 25%. Now, it was 25% out of how many? What is our whole? Our whole amount was 100. So this is 25 out of 100. And it's always out of 100. When we're talking about percents, we're always talking about 100% of whatever we're talking about. It's 100% of it, the whole amount. Remember, if we're talking about decimals, these numbers all equal each other. We're just changing them from a percent to a fraction to a decimal. And how do we turn a percent sign to a decimal? We need to get rid of the percent sign by moving away from it 2 times and adding the decimal. So we get 0.25, and that gets rid of our percent sign. Remember, if you have a decimal, if you're given a decimal and you want to turn it into a percentage, all you have to do is move towards the percent sign 2 times, and then now you have 25% again. That looks like 75%, but 25%. So you're going to go through and do that for this problem, count them out, and it gives you the percentage. It already gives it to you in this one. So you just need to put your percent over the whole amount we're talking about, which is 100. And then you need to move your decimal over 2 times to turn it into a decimal. This one, you're given the percent over the whole. So what would your percent, if you're looking at these, what would your percent be? You can also go count it out again if you need. And then what would your decimal be? So you're going to go through all of these, modeling them out. Make sure you read these carefully. They have the instructions for you. It says set up a percent bar and percent portion for each fraction below. If you need help, remember a couple of days ago and yesterday, I gave you that picture that was all the different colors of the rainbow with the different bars on it that represented the different fractions and percentages. You can use that to help you because this fraction is 1/5. So you're going to need to be able to put in the percentages of 1/5 right here and set up your fractions. And continue through this problem. Just read and model as best as you can, okay? Whenever you finish these two, if you have any makeup work or you want to come and ask me, do I need to make up any work, please do. And then that's it. That's all we're going to work on for Friday and Monday. And then starting on Tuesday, we're going to be beginning a new unit. We're going to be away from percentages. So that's why it's very important for y'all to get this down. Okay, y'all have a great day.